We just found a bird inside recording the window. Sorry, but look, we literally found a bird that's really close to us.
Really gross?
No, close.
How about Becky, you and Granby have a YouTube channel? You guys would be funny.
Yeah.
Wow.
Maybe me and my grandma's gonna make a YouTube channel. I don't know. Maybe another one. Okay.
Mommy.
Bird. Birdie, birdie.
What?
Pictures.
Alright, come on.
So, the birdie outside, literally really close to us. Oops. Okay. There we go. It's looking at us. That is cool. Oh. I'll show you it outside. Whoa. We're outside now. This hand and stuff looking at us. Very weirdly. It's still here. I don't know why it's not running away or something. But it's still here. I don't know if this is longer than our squirrel video. I'm pretty sure it is. So, I think we're done. Yeah. We're just closing the door. You can't believe that there's a bird outside. Really close to us.
What?
Not funny.
What?
Not funny.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And maybe we'll make
I didn't do that when I put it on.
me and my grandma will make a channel together. Bye.